Like it or not, the best value stock out there right now is GameStop. Some of you still think, but it's just a meme stock. Guys, it's been 5 years. The company has improved. Are you still here being all salty? Or are you trying to make some money? $26.42 it closed today. $11.8 billion valuation. 5-year chart. This isn't the same fairy tale that we saw with pretty images and rocket emojis. This isn't a meme stock anymore. This is a serious company coming for the throne. GameStop is the safest, most asymmetric bet on the market right now. No short squeezes, no crime, no bells or whistles required. Just a very low risk, long-term hold, multi-bagger based on facts and numbers. It's happening in phases. Ryan Cohen has been executing the turnaround plan, with turning GameStop into one of the most profitable companies out there. Huge amounts of cash, Bitcoin. The first phase was to avoid bleeding or even bankruptcy. Sitting on about $8.7 billion in cash, they have cut costs, they have closed unprofitable stores, streamlined their operations, and they are currently a profitable company. We're sitting on 3 consecutive years of positive net income, and just look at the growth rate on that. These goals have already been achieved at the cost of revenue decline. As you can see from January 2016, we're hitting $9.3 billion in revenue. Compare that today, $3.8 billion in revenue, but slowly turning it around again. But these goals were already achieved at the cost of revenue decline and stock dilution, both of which were seen as red flags by giant institutions. But check out the institutions now. Institutions sitting at an all-time high. The next phase for GameStop would be turn revenue back to growth and to modernize and digitize the company, which is already happening in front of our eyes. They're building new profitable revenue streams. They're focusing on high-margin digitized products like the Power Packs, still in beta, but will be coming out soon for everyone else, and focus on repeating loyal customers. The turnaround in total revenue will be largely driven by the growing collectibles market. They are focusing on collectibles, board games, homeware, stuffed animals. They have just added Lego into their collection, so imagine all the giant Lego drops you'll be able to get at GameStop. When you compare quarter 2 of 2025 versus quarter 1, the growth in collectibles has already grown 63% in that one quarter alone. GameStop also has a partnership with one of the most prestigious trading card grading companies, PSA, which provides high trust and large inventory on trading cards. And together, they are building Power Packs. This partnership is going to enable GameStop to handle everything from the customer, allowing them to buy the card at GameStop. This is a mystery box for collectible cards, opening up random cards online. This is being released as a high-margin digital product. It's still currently on beta. I still can't buy anything. GameStop, I need an invite. It just came out in quarter 3, so we won't know how much revenue this will add already. But just going through Twitter and seeing everyone's posts on them, what they've been opening up, especially all the beta users, this is going to be an extremely profitable segment for GameStop, and more importantly, high in revenue. But why do we say GameStop is the best value stock that you could buy on the market right now? Well, it trades at an $11.8 billion market cap, which is very near its cash value. Cash value sitting at about 8.7. This heavily limits any potential downside this stock could have. This is the floor. The 20s is the floor Ryan Cohen purchased. In the event of GameStop stock collapsing, the company could buy back its shares for extremely cheap. Theoretically, they could buy back all their stock and have money left over. Now, in the event of a total market collapse, the company could acquire other companies for cheap. They are sitting on cash. They are sitting on $8.7 billion as a war chest. They are waiting. They're pulling a Warren Buffett. They are waiting for something major to happen. But after having already turned the company around from a struggling retailer to a profitable one, remember, Ryan Cohen takes no salary, no stock compensation. He aligns his interests with the shareholders, and he purchased $1 billion worth of stock with his own money. Do you really think this guy's going to burn $8.7 billion on some random investments? The mispricing of the GameStop shares is likely due to the history of GameStop itself. A lot of people have forgotten about the company. They still think it's a meme stock. A lot of my friends still think they're going bankrupt. What? Nobody wants to invest into a meme stock and be wrong. They would look like a fool and lose a ton of clients. These huge institutions are very careful at the moment. The collectibles market in the US alone is valued at around $62 billion. Capturing just a mere 5% of this market would yield GameStop over $4 billion in annual revenue. But remember, no investment is guaranteed, but GameStop is as close as we could get right now to a stock being at the bottom. They hold a ton of cash. It is once again deep value. Like it or not, the best value stock out there right now is GameStop. Thanks for watching this short little video, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.